In a recent development that has sparked excitement among gaming enthusiasts, Lenovo has taken the wraps off its latest innovation, the Lenovo Legion Go. This Windows-powered portable gaming device is positioned to go head-to-head with fierce contenders like the Asus ROG Ally and the Valve Steam Deck, both of which have played a pivotal role in propelling handheld gaming consoles, capable of running PC games to new heights of popularity. Fresh reports surfacing this month have provided an intriguing glimpse into the appearance of the Legion Go's console. While the overall appearance might appear somewhat conventional at first glance, a closer look reveals that Lenovo has ingeniously drawn inspiration from its competitors, cherry-picking the most impressive elements to create a compelling package. One of the standout features of the Legion Go is its controller setup, fashioned in the style of the Xbox, an appearance choice that's also mirrored in the ROG Ally. This ergonomic and familiar layout promises comfortable and intuitive gameplay. In addition, the console takes a leaf out of the Valve Steam Deck's playbook by incorporating a trackpad, enhancing its versatility and potential for diverse gaming experiences. A feature sure to catch the attention of gamers familiar with the Nintendo Switch is the inclusion of detachable controllers. Much like the Switch's Joy-Cons, the Legion Go's controllers can be separated from the main console. This feature is particularly convenient for multiplayer gaming scenarios, enabling users to effortlessly engage in gaming sessions with friends or family, without the need to invest in extra controllers. The heart of the gaming experience, the screen, is reported to be an 8-inch display with expectations for it to deliver full HD resolution. Turning the device over reveals an array of elements developed for enhanced gaming performance. The rear side is adorned with several triggers in the right controller wheel, both of which contribute to more immersive and precise gameplay. A generously sized air vent is thoughtfully integrated into the appearance, serving the crucial purpose of keeping the device cool during extended gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, the images provided by the report shed light on the console's ports and buttons. Users can anticipate the convenience of dual USB-C ports, offering versatility in terms of peripherals and charging. The presence of a power button, a headphone jack, volume adjustment buttons embellished with plus and minus symbols, and a microSD slot underlines Lenovo's commitment to providing a holistic and user-friendly gaming experience. As the anticipation builds for the official release of the Lenovo Legion Go, the gaming community is abuzz with discussions about how this device will stack up against its formidable competitors. With its thoughtful combination of appearance elements drawn from successful precedents, along with its own unique features, the Legion Go is poised to carve its own niche in the rapidly evolving landscape of portable gaming consoles. While the current lack of information might leave some yearning for more concrete details, there's a sense of excitement in the air. The anticipation is palpable, and as the days unfold, it's expected that Lenovo will gradually unveil the inner workings of the Legion Go, giving enthusiasts a comprehensive understanding of what to expect from this highly anticipated gaming console. In conclusion, while the specifics of the Legion Go's specifications remain a well-guarded secret for now, the excitement surrounding its imminent reveal only intensifies. The gaming world is poised to receive a comprehensive glimpse into the capabilities of this unique device, and as details emerge, enthusiasts will undoubtedly be treated to a clearer picture of how Lenovo's innovation stands to impact the landscape of gaming technology. What do you think about the new game console? I will be interested to know your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.